So today we have started to remove the path from the Saxon Cemetery site. We've got a machine over that side. They're taking off the tarmac and the tar and chip layers. And then we've got volunteers coming in behind and they're troweling back the surface, which is an old path which was here at least since the Victorian period. Although what we're finding today is there are more recent finds in it. So we're not quite sure how old this path is now. And then later we're going to be digging a series of holes into the path to look at the archaeology below it.
You might be able to hear a buzzing above us, which is a drone we're using to record the archaeological survey of the lifting of the asphalt path that bisects the Saxon Burial grounds in Greenwich Park. We're going to be filming from a static position, such as this one above us now, each day, and record the unrolling of the path, unrolling of the asphalt as the ground underneath is uncovered and the dig proceeds from west to east. And we're going to record static shots with the drone. We're also going to record cinematically from different angles, getting the proceedings as they unfurl. And hopefully over the next week we'll have a very good record of the dig, which is extensive. I don't know the exact meterage, but it looks in the order of 200 metres from here, and it's all very exciting.